Hello folks, welcome back to the video. This is PyProTech coming back with another video, and last time I told you guys I'll tell you more about variables, strings, integers, and also the print function, and today we will look more in that criteria. So in Python, just to edit the code, we need editors, text editors. We won't use notepads because no one uses notepads and it doesn't operate with Python code. So there's Atom, and there's Visual Studio Code, there's brackets, and there are more text editors out in the market, but everyone uses Atom or Visual Studio Code or brackets. So see, my operating system is Windows, and that is why it says Windows, and it looks much more of a colorful program and a text editor, but so much compatible, and it looks much more better with Mac OS systems. I use Visual Studio Code. It's so simple, it's an open source, it's free to be exact, and you can add extensions to it and it runs everywhere. Looks so much better. And there's brackets. So for the last episode we checked the Python version. So people who have installed Python, check again if you have the version. My version is Python 3.8.1, and for Mac OS do Python 3 -- version. Okay, so let's start. So I'm gonna open Visual Studio Code. You open your text editor which you feel comfortable with, be it Atom or brackets. So here we do a new file, and for those people who have installed Visual Studio Code, you'll have an introduction page. You can delete that introduction page, and then you'll have a page just like this. And there are shortcuts and there are hotkeys over here. So you do File, we create a new file, and there's a new file which is created. It's called untitled1, and then we save it somewhere. I'm gonna save it on desktop for now. You can save it somewhere over in other directories or desktop. So you will write it as Python. Let's just say Python refresher. It's a Python refresher, and if you have Python installed, then go to the save as type Python and hit save. Wait, I have to change my destination, and there it is. So I'm gonna save it, and see uses my name and desktop and Python refresher.py. So simple. So today we will learn about variables, strings, integers, and the print function. So for that to happen, we also need to open CMD, but we'll open CMD later, the command prompt. So let's just say age equals to 29. So this is a variable. The age equal to 29 is a variable, and to make it more clear, this is a variable. And then let's just say name equals to Zach. Okay, name equals to Zach. This is in the quotations. This is the string function. So let's do print age. Okay, so we do print age, and for that to happen, for the output show, we need to open CMD. Everything is related to CMD. CMD is the mastermind of Windows, and terminal is the mastermind of Mac OS. We have to remember that you can do everything with CMD. You can delete, you can make alterations with CMD. CMD is everything that you need to have with Python. So as my file is on desktop, to access Python refresher.py, I have to do cd desktop, and there it is. I'm at desktop. It's so simple. And then to access this file, we need to do Python refresher.py. See, it doesn't show anything, but you will get to know. So if I do this, if I do print age, so it says age equal to 29. If I do ABC, now look closely, 29ABC. I click save. I save it with Control S, and if I click the arrow key, if I just write Python refresher.py, now look closely at the output. See, it says age equal to 29 ABC hashtag variable. That doesn't matter. It also says line 2. Look, see, line 2 and syntax error and invalid syntax. So CMD will tell you where your error is, and it makes so simple. You cannot ever add 29 like an integer and also alphabet together. It's so simple, isn't it? So let's just delete this for now. So if you wanna, so here it is. It says Zach in double quotations. Okay, if you wanna use Zach in a quotation that could be single quote or double quotation, it has to be start with a single and end with a single, or start with a double and end with a double. If you see this, if I have this as a double quote and I have this as a single quote, and if I click save and open my CMD and I do Python refresher.py and see syntax error EOL while scanning string literal. This is a string literal error. Python is really sensitive, and this everything matters. So we do the double quotations. Now the best part over here, we're gonna learn something new. We will do print. These are functions. We'll do print. Hello, my name is, let's just say, Zach. Hello, my name is Zach, and I am 29 years old. Alright, click save, and then we go to terminal, and then we do Python refresher.py, and hello, my name is Zach and I'm 29 years old. So simple. But if we don't want this Zach and we don't want 29 years old, okay, we do not want Zach and 29 years old. Okay, let's just put 29 years old over here. But over here we will have a dictionary. This is in the form of a dictionary. So we have a curly brackets over here, and at the same time, what will we do? We'll do dot format and then name. Okay, we'll do dot format name. We'll delete the bracket over here and add the bracket over here. Okay, so now clearly notice, if we do Python refresher.py, hello, my name is Zach and I'm 29 years old. Boom, so simple. It's so simple. And if we delete this, 29 years old, it's so fun. If you start working in this, it's so fun. And then we do a curly bracket over here, and then we do name, right? Or age, we do age, and then do Python refresher.py. Boom, hello, my name is Zach and I'm 29 years old. If you guys want to recheck, put it as Dorothy, and I'm 45. And then go to terminal, do Python refresher.py. Hello, my name is Dorothy and I'm 45 years old. See, Python is so simple, and you have to use it with command prompt. Well, you will learn how to use the syntax in CMD. Like if we click the above arrow, then it will get to the command which was last used, and also the down arrow. So for this video, let's end it over here, and in the next video we'll learn something new. So hold back and watch the next video, and thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe.